Now let us have the problems on the last part, second last part of this unit, that is problem based on your CRT, Cauchy's root test. So again let us have Cauchy's root test. What is Cauchy's root test? So summation un, suppose that we have been given a series summation un, and that summation un, if it is a series of positive terms, then it will converge, diverge depending on one limit, and that limit is limit n tends to infinity. What is that? Limit limit n tends to infinity, limit n tends to infinity un, but not just un raised to 1 by n. If this limit is what having value equal to L, and if that L is less than 1, series converges, and if L is greater than 1, series diverges. That is very simple thing of your Cauchy's root test. Okay, so we have been given with the series 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 3 by 7 bracket, square, cube, and so on. So first term is 1 by 3 bracket raised to 1, 2 by 5 bracket raised to 2, 3 by 7 bracket raised to 3. So you can see that power of term is gradually increasing, therefore we have bracket raised to n. Okay, first term 1, second term 2, third term 3, so n term is raised to n. Okay, now we have denominator, we have numerator. First term contains 1, second term contains 2, third term contains 3, so nth term will contain n. Okay, then denominator contains 3, which is odd number, 5, 7, so all these are which numbers? Odd numbers, and they are what, jumping by a difference of 2, so 3, 5, 7. So you will find that 3 can be written as what, 2 into 1 plus 1. Okay, 5 can be written as 2 into 2 plus 1. 7 can be written as 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 6 plus 1, 7. So this nth term can be written as what, 2 into n plus 1. So that is nothing but this series. Okay, raised to n is already there. So un is equal to n divided by 2n plus 1 bracket is to n. And now if I take 1 by nth power of both these sides, okay, as it is requirement of your Cauchy test, so 1 by n power, if I take this 1 by n, and n will get cancelled, leaving you what, limit n tends to infinity, limit n tends to infinity un raised to 1 by n is equal to n divided by 2n plus 1. And if I take n common, if I cancel n, we get 1 divided by 2 plus 1 by n. And if I put n equal to infinity, this term will be 1 upon infinity is equal to 0. So what it becomes, 1 upon 2, which is equal to 1 by 2, which is less than 1. And if what, this limit is having value less than 1, series converges. If it is greater than 1, what, series diverges. So here we have less than 1, therefore series converges. So given series is convergent. Then let us have a second example. 2 square by 1 square minus 2 by 1 raised to minus 1 raised to minus 2 raised to minus 3. So you will observe that the nth term here, okay, will be a sum bracket raised to minus n. Why minus n? 1, 2, 3. So first term 1, second term 2, third term 3. So nth term n with negative sign. Okay, everywhere we have negative sign. So first term is 2, second term is 3, third term is 4. So first term is 2, second term is 3, third term is 4. So nth term will be what, n plus 1. So it is n plus 1 raised to, first term is 2 square, second term is 3 cube, okay, third term is 4 raised to 4. So here nth term is n plus 1 raised to n plus 1. Okay, and divided by we have 1 square, 2 cube, 1 square, 2 cube, 3 raised to 4, and so on. So we have 1, 2, 3. So here it will be n. 2, okay, 3, 4. So first term contains 2, power is 2. The second term contains power 3. So nth term contains power n plus 1. So in denominator you will be having n raised to n plus 1 minus, okay, let me erase this part. I will be requiring much space over here. So this term, sorry, raised to minus n, power is minus n. So what is next? First term contains 2 by 1. Okay, let us first talk about the numerator. First term contains 2, so it is nothing but what? First term contains 2, second term contains 3, third term contains 4, so it is simply n plus 1, and the term contains n plus 1. Denominator is 1, 2, 3, so therefore it is simply n. Okay, now let us take what the value of un separately. So what is un? So this is your un. Okay, it is typed nicely, and I written what un like this. And now let us use your Cauchy test. Okay, Cauchy root test. Now, so if I take limit n tends to infinity un raised to 1 by n, okay, n and 1 by n will cancel each other, leaving you only minus 1 over here. And inside the bracket we have n plus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n raised to n plus 1 minus n plus 1 divided by n. Now let us separate out the LCM. N divided by n is 1 and 1 by n. Okay, and here you can observe that power of n plus 1 is n plus 1 and power of n is also n plus 1. So we have common power of n by n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1. Okay, and here also if I take LCM, we get 1 plus 1 by n raised to n plus 1. Okay, even if I separate the power, so a raised to b plus c is a raised to b into a raised to c. So I will be getting 1 plus 1 by n raised to n and 1 plus 1 by n raised to 1. If I take n equal to infinity, 1 upon infinity becomes 0 and 1 plus 0 is 1. So this first term becomes 1. So you observe that. Okay, let me have some. Okay, so this term becomes 1, and this is the standard results. This is the standard result. Limit n tends to infinity of 1 plus 1 by n raised to n will be equal to e. Okay, and this also will become 1. Okay, if I put n equal to infinity, so we get 1 plus 1 upon infinity, that is equal to 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. Okay, so raised to minus 1, that gives you e minus 1 raised to minus 1, and e minus 1 raised to minus 1 is what? 1 upon e minus 1. Note that e minus 1 is what? 2.71 minus 1, that is 1.71, and reciprocal of 1.71 is definitely less than 1. So if it is less than 1, what this limit is having value less than 1. If this limit is having value less than 1, so this is what? Less than 1. If it is less than 1, the what series converges. Now test the convergence. Summation n from 1 to infinity, 1 upon 1 plus 1 by n raised to n square. Now this series, okay, will be having what? Un value. Un value is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 1 by n bracket raised to n square. Okay, so if I take nth power on both the side, 1 by nth power on both the side, and if I take limit n tends to infinity of un, yes, I will be getting what? 1 n will get cancelled, leaving you 1 upon n. And this again, it is a standard result. Its value is equal to e. You should know this one. So limit n tends to infinity, okay, 1 plus 1 by n raised to n, or limit n tends to 0, 1 plus n raised to 1 by n. Okay, both values will be equal to e. That is the standard result. So 1 upon e, definitely it is less than 1. So 2.7. If you take 1 upon 2 is 0.5, definitely it is e is 2.7. 2.7 will be again less than 1. So this series also converges. So I leave this for you as a part of exercise. Okay, I really got rid of in solving this problem. This also is convergent. Okay, so we have very simple steps. All the steps are self-explanatory, so you can practice, or you can just try at home. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can contact me. Okay, this is the exercise of your CRT. Solve it at your level. Thank you.